So I just got into China like 6 hours ago right now, and I'm in the hotel. It's 12:15 a.m. and we got here. We went for a dinner. It was just me and another YouTuber because we were late. We're the ones who were late. Everybody's been here for like 2 days already. So tomorrow's plan is that we're supposed to be up at 7:30 a.m., meet downstairs in the lobby at 8 a.m., and we're supposed to head to their new warehouse. They have a new warehouse here, and they're also opening warehouses in Europe and US also to improve their shipping time. So that's one of their latest goals, one of the latest missions is to improve is their shipping, and I think that's a smart move in my opinion. So tomorrow, yeah, like I said, 7:38 we meet down lobby. We go to their new warehouse. It's a 2-hour drive. And there's only 9 reviewers. I don't know if they're all YouTubers or not, but I know Albert Kim is on the same floor as me right now, but I don't know which room. Maybe I'm gonna go knock on all of them and see if I could find him. Maybe he's upset with me because there was a time where I would just comment potatoes, like just the icon of a potato on people's YouTube videos because no reason. Maybe he's upset with me, but I don't think he would be upset. So I know we're supposed to fly somewhere. I don't know if we're gonna fly inside the warehouse or not, but if we do, that would be pretty cool. So yeah, we go to the new warehouse, then we go to their old warehouse, then we get like a 2-hour break, and then we go to their headquarters. And then after that, I don't know what's up. So I have this other YouTuber who has like 150,000 subscribers. His name is like Tech Utopia or something that I just met. Really nice guy. We're gonna have a little contest tomorrow if we have time. We're gonna go down to the market, 20 bucks each. Who could buy the most useful things and come back with, just for the fuck of it, see what we could find, see what we can do. And there's a lot of things planned, but I don't know exactly what. We're supposed to do rehearsals for some sort of a live event. I don't know what that's about either. But I'm just gonna take full advantage of everything I could possibly can around here. Go around the market. I'm gonna try to start vlogging from tomorrow and see how well that goes. And what else do we have? Oh yeah, and I'm gonna do a little giveaway. So right now I'm in the hotel. It's a pretty nice hotel actually. They give us these right here. So these are 3 toothbrushes with toothpaste, like a little mini one. I'm gonna take them. I have my own, and I'm gonna give them away to you guys. So 2 will go to my Patreon, 1 will go to my YouTube subscribers, if you guys want. I mean, I think it's pretty interesting. And look, check this out. And check this out. It's a Chinese Nescafe smoothie coffee. This was supposed to be my morning coffee, but I just can't. It's really smooth actually. It tastes exactly as how it's stating. It's really interesting to see everything in Chinese here. I'll have probably tomorrow's vlog will probably be a lot better because I came kind of late today, and it was a pretty long trip. There was traffic jam in the air. Yeah, it was a traffic jam. It took us an hour to land. We were basically by the airport, just circling it for an hour, waiting for us to land. So far, I only met 2 people from Banggood, which I've never talked to before. A girl named Elaine, and another guy called Sam. Sam used to be an English teacher. Pretty awesome guy, actually. He's in charge of some of the brands for the smartwatches. So it was pretty fun. It was pretty interesting. We had a little dinner right now, and just chit-chatting and trying out some real Chinese food, not American Chinese food. Because they were almost laughing at me when I said I like orange chicken, but I told them, I made sure I said that I've only had US Chinese food, so they know it's not real Chinese food. So hopefully I'm recording my mic, because if I'm not, I'm gonna have to redo this shit. So this is currently it. I'm planning on doing more vlogs here. The room here is pretty nice, and everything is just basically planned out for us, which is really cool. And hopefully we get to fly inside the warehouse tomorrow, and I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll see what I can do with Banggood and with things other than Banggood. I'm gonna try to get a hold of Wowgo or Meepo. Just let me borrow a board in China, because it's really difficult to go around because everyone just uses WeChat to pay. It's like an application, and you need a Chinese bank account, but there's workarounds, but I tried them, none of them worked. So I'm gonna have to just go on an electric skateboard and try to see. Maybe Banggood might have one worst case scenario that I could use around the city. But I'm gonna try to get in touch with Meepo or Wowgo or someone like that. And maybe it'll be good for them and good for me. You know, we can see how good their board is while I take it around China. And I think it'll be pretty fun, pretty interesting. So wish me luck, guys. And this is just a quick update video. The other videos are going to be in different quality, hopefully better quality. And yeah, I'm here. And here's some Chinese water if you've never seen some. There we go. It's pretty crazy to see all this stuff. Oh, you guys want to see my breakfast? I guess this is my breakfast. It's called milk bean. So milk, bean, half bread. It's pretty big too. It's gonna be, I think it'll do pretty well. All right, guys. Well, let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. Check the links down below because those greatly support the channel. Not only that, those will actually allow me to feed my kids. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you guys want to see. Hopefully I can make it to Shenzhen. Shenzhen is like 2 hours away from me. And I'm going to try to meet with as many people as possible after we finish Banggood's things. I'm sure they'll give us like a day rest or something, which I'll take full advantage of. And let me know if you guys have any suggestions. And if you guys do, please comment down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, guys.